Start with a circle like that and then cross it in the middle. From there, we're going to cross that in the middle too, and he's got a circle here. On this side of the circle, you're going to draw this line like this, and then draw your quick little smile. And he's got two little teeth here. Kind of round that as you come down. Do that on that side as well. And as this comes down, just kind of like a U there. And then as it comes up, curve this, and then in the middle you'll have that as the tongue. Let's do that again. From there you want to put this U underneath. And then what you want to do above his nose, you want to have this curve as well. Going to the right side, you have another little curve for his eye. And then draw that full curve there. And this circle, I usually leave a catch light like that, and I kind of fill it in. And then you would do the same on this side, kind of diagonal from that nose. Curve this. A line here. Make this a little bigger. And then let's curve this up and over, going down into the middle. Curve this as well on the outside. Next, you're going to have these little lines coming off. Curve that down. Going to this side. Doing the same thing. Going on this side. Curve it up.